atofo se any good. No, so two things, yeah. This one first. Ebusianfo NDC aban jubilate. They are jubilating. Say aban papa aba. Or the asempa aba. Na say na jubilation no eden asem. Omo see, omo akoto helicopter. Hey, goodness me, nyame bu emobo. Shakataka say nyame hu emobo. NDC for see omo akoto helicopter. Enti we die aban bia anye bida. Aban bia anye bida. Enti omo NDC for omo na omo kra oman no. I'm say a helicopter ben a ebusanfo dodo sen a one helicopter baku say baku ebusanfo the helicopter NDC for they say mako helicopter mako jina wa atwa ho pictures nyame hu yemobo ase de be man no kwase ase mo hu no ye me fa betu ma me fa betu meni nyame hu yemobo nyame hu yemobo NDC she ebusanfo say any NDC for organize ceremony. They've organized a whole ceremony. Akoye kente kind of sengra kente sash. Atro akwaba woso. Akope cars ensuum. Adeya omako akoto helicopter baku. One helicopter say baku say. Kids and men say yeah they can't pay the cocoa farmers. Ask again. One helicopter. My own program opening ceremony. At 247. Be 4 ministers. Akoko jina ho. Adeya omato helicopter back. Na helicopter nso ebusianfo ukwohwe year of production na 1970s. Helicopter a mo hwe wo no e wo screen so no. Ye Airbus for helicopter. Airbus for helicopter ni. Ye Airbus AHC something. Ebusianfo. Oman Ghana after how many years ni? After 69 years. Aban bia ba e no NDC aban no. They are happy say Oman Ghana over 33 million people yato helicopter baako. NDC. Sometimes no me some say obi NDC abo Oman no dua na. NDC for it abo ye dua. Oman Ghana sika musi sika Oman wewo. First mudi mu yesika ikoto sa Chinese for helicopter Oman try bida. Chinese for helicopter Oman kasa omun use you. Ena mo akoto. Ena mo koto ye. Ena asem ko see 6 August last year. Afi musu koto helicopter bioma. Makoto Airbus for helicopter amu ye 1970s mu number 1, number 2. Baku pe na mo koto ye. Je say we so mbe use mbe ma no pressure sa. Hey, NDC. Makoye helicopter baako ceremony. Ebra Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo. Whenever he went out to buy something for Omanwea, one to 5 or to thousands. Prove me wrong. If in Ebra Ekoto helicopter, my police service. When Akufo-Addo went to buy helicopter for police service, Krana, Otomiensa at the go. Akufo-Addo no. Nanado no. Akoso Koto helicopter, Emma police service for over 60 years. Ghana here independent country. That police service, no money helicopter back home. When Akufo-Addo stood up, said, "Miko Koto helicopter, my police for Otomiensa at the go." John Mahama, 69 years of Ghana. Koto helicopter back home. Can I say opening ceremony? I didn't boni be na yaya. Nakupon say boni be na yaya. Fache ye why? Na we dey bru yeso. We dey bru yeso. Me dey ndwun kra me nti ase. Helicopter back. Now let's go into the price. The price of this helicopter. It was a helicopter way no. Listen, new boy $10 million US. Baku be a boy $10 million US. I thought back $10 million US. $10 million US helicopter. And you understand why I'm saying say on Mike say Ghana no. It's not one helicopter we will go and buy. $10 million US. Just 3 days ago, Ibrahim Mahama, president Enuano. Ibrahim Kweku Mahama. Onya Kofi. Ya Kofi for yentisa. Ibrahim Kweku Mahama no. When he went also got private jet. Ni jet auto you know. Now $80 million US jet. President you know. President ya. When he went say okwakoto jet. 80 million nipa baako. And no grant is sasika no grant no. You and I know you just ask no free. And him say any NDC for. Anymore. We know how NDC people operate. And him azan kwanya NDC for it be fast so. Edi foul man sika. And so obi kase o Ibrahim Mahama na okoto kind of saying. Oh. Well, yen power tap why? I say nkosa for 6 million no more report live now. Let's power tap. Nkosa for 6 million no more report live now. Yen power tap. Right? So what I was saying, let's power tap. They are reporting their live. And see, when Ibrahim Mahama Echo said he's going to buy Jetta, he had 80 million to go and buy. Now on mine Ghana, we can go out and go and sign contract for just one helicopter. Baku say, single one, Ekume, the car. We are now celebrating mediocrity as of mine. We are praising mediocrity. A mediocre lifestyle. That's why we are now celebrating the NDC government. Mediocre lifestyle. Sika Sami Jenfi gold board. Sika Sami Jenfi kwan gold board. Ese eye loss a omo ye e wo gold board hon ma. Sa sika no. He can buy at least 8 helicopters. Helicopters will back 8. Sami Jenfi aye nipa the first person in the history of Ghana. Out mi koto sika koko et mi boka no. A car still wa bono. A car Sami Jenfi wa bono. He can buy 8 helicopters. Baku 8 of these ones. 1970 1980 helicopter ya NDC for any agye sɛ ɔmakɔtɔ baako no sika ɛka sami gye fi nkwan bɔ no ɛbɛtumi atɔ 8. You see why you shouldn't be jubilating as Omai. You shouldn't be happy. And I was telling you in the beginning, say Omai no, oh that's sorry. Now what you will say, oh, I can't have many days more. Or I can say, oh, 2 years, 9 months, 10 days left. 2 years, 9 months, 10 days left. 2 years, 9 months, 9 days left. Because the speed at which now Omai will copper before some incompetent to control with power no. Speed power na eko. Akufado to ya auto boat man police service la. Akufado no. Before Akufado came to power, police service, they did not even have a single one say boat back who say no money be. Police service. Obviously me try and try. If you come prove me otherwise. Police service. Before Akufado ebe yo mampeni no money a boat back umpo. Akufado came to power. We got police service, I think 3 or 4 boats. 3 or 4 boats. Akufado no. Last time, you know, fishermen, when they got kidnapped or so, it was boats that were bought by Akufado that were used to go and rescue them. Akufado boats, so that is what was used to rescue those people. That is a forward-thinking leader. A forward-thinking leader, no. Omampenia odwi on man no. A leader that thinks about the people. A leader that has the people at heart. And you omampenia on the outside, I say odo man, but I want the moodie, na kume moodie, evil upon evil. How to steal money? How to steal money in Kwan? And it's kind of so. We have to say there's no tomorrow. We know we are, and then we answer. Why work Goldfield? Now I got Sizi Goldfield. That's what they are doing with Omanu Zesia. Say Penina yo man Peninu we are. Or just cana. Then we answer also a businessman. Also work gold consistent. Now I got Sizi. Black water gold. Nkaya. Till today, the reason why most of the people, investors, international community, and background, they say, almost wait I could build business for her. But she and say, I'm paying business with you, send me their money in here. That is why most investors are no longer coming to Ghana. Yeah, that is why. That's why they're no longer coming to Ghana. And because a bank we buy, you know, they brought that gold board a law. They say, wow, what gold fields in now? We see, or G license for. Who also compare license as well? They say for 2 billion in Branson. This last time a guy came on the live and came to say it. Obi our license did that. And also say, Mundi love, Mundi Emra Fabra, and the new license. Say for 2 billion Branson. And besides, who say, how many Ghanaians can afford 2 billion for license? And the reason was simple. They wanted to just phase people out of the mining sector and give it to their apparatchiks. Now, even large-scale business, and I war. If you say renew a license, my see there more yes, ama. Not this large-scale business. Eddie Ibrahim Mahama. And she say we are NDC ni. Say we are NDC grassroots. Now, ye kasa se winyi na ne. Now we catch say pains, quen Oh, pains 38%, pains 38%. Bisa ho sɛ sika Ibrahim Mahama ɛne ne nua John Mahama and make it every day from ɔman wei no woso tumi nya bi didiɛ woso tumi nya bi wosan tumi ka bi sɛ wosan ka bi a ɛndeɛ reason up ɛndeɛ reason up mo chairman ɛna mo coming ɛna mo incoming flag bearer General Mosquito asedu nketia ebisa mo sɛ Mahama ababan mu no has your life changed? That should be a wake-up call to you. That should be a wake-up call to you. Say, wow, chairman, and the incoming flag bearer. I said, okay, I said, has your life changed? How will your life change? Your life cannot change. Yes, and say, do na NDC for do na grass for do na money hips, money to. And correct money hips, money to. NDC grass de do na money money to. Money muso say, penny for no. Hips need to na movie omo. Nti wa baba mu no omo ko fan ma omo hips need to omo na omo appointment. Yeah. And the actual who are now Muslim NDC grassroots there. You are all stranded. You're all stranded. Last time Bina Megabi, they say we're a team president. The team president, one of the universities, offering me say, Charlie, bro, big bro, Charlie, send me something. I say, send you something. Ah. And why you require na? Who NDC ni? Me for phone. Friend me. MPP ni say I should send you something. Ah. One of your man penny. Mama. Ade, amba papa no nya babio. Dollar no, nya 10 cities bio mana. Inflation nya 3% bio. Enti MDC grassroots no, omo brese no bia. And I thank God say God is answering my prayer. Me paya me body jani say, Yakupo. Ebra uma ewo Egypt no. There were times where the whole of Egypt for come to medium, but Israel for no munya duane. And every day, Mr. President, erade MPP for bia, MPP ni bia or akuma pa, ema MPP, ewa akuma pa ema NDC erade. No matter what, provide food for them. Uncle Isaac is saying, no matter what, you provide food for them. In Paya, I don't know. And I think so far, say, no matter how hard things are there, yeah, MPP for the Yakupon, Eshe Yesu.